Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we are doing our battle of the boxes, PR versus BOXY that I pay for myself. And I like to do this kind of comparison because I like to see, like, are people who are getting PR getting the better stuff? Is it really just a toss-up? I like to know. And I still don't know. All right, so this is sent to me free of charge, just in exchange for an honest review, which is exactly what I do here. The theme for this month is Spellbound, and I haven't looked at anything in this box. The first thing I see is from Julep Beauty. I think this is a, oh, I thought Julep was a K beauty brand, but it's not. Okay, so this is the makeup remover towelettes, pore refining witch hazel, used for cleansing, glycerin boosts glow, olive oil hydrates, and witch hazel cleans pores. You can always use some wipes. And those retail for $20. Cleansing wipes? Oh, and you get 60 in here. All right, the next, I think I chose these for my box, I think. Okay, so this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops, Ultimate Glow and Brightening Highlighting Serum. Music to my eyes. Vegan, cruelty-free, free parabens, mineral oil, sulfate, silicones, phthalates, and drying alcohols. That's wonderful. One of the first things I do whenever I get skincare, if you watch me before, I scan to see what kind of alcohol's in here. I know not all alcohol is bad, but regardless, brands still use bad alcohol in skincare, so I always like to look out for that. This retails for $34. Wow, that's weird. I don't know why I expected it to be much more expensive. Like more of like the $50 range. I mean, that's good though, because if they're great, then I won't hate myself for buying more. I don't understand what it means though for highlighting drops. On a no makeup day, 1 to 2 pumps, but if you're wearing makeup, use 1 to 2 pumps as the last step of your skincare routine before your makeup. Highlighting, skincare, and makeup hybrid, visibly brightened skin delivers effortless glow while helping reduce hyperpigmentation. Niacinamide infused serum is formulated without mica, glitter, or pearls. It creates a lightweight, buildable texture that quickly absorbs, making it suitable for all skin types. Use as a hydrating, highlighting serum before moisturizer or last step of your routine before makeup. Ugh, they always have the cutest packaging. Ugh. All right, so it looks like it's kind of opalescent. You know what I was playing with today that I just can't get behind that everybody's loved, like all the YouTubers that I've loved loves this stuff. The M Cosmetics like blush drop things. I have 2 of them, and I feel like they're just slightly colored thick oil. I don't know. I can't get behind them. But either way, let's see. Okay, so I don't see, they're right, there's no glitter or anything, and you're not gonna be able to see anything, but I'm just gonna leave it on my hand and see what. I mean, I do see a slight hydrating sheen, so I mean, it's really not like a highlighter, but I mean, it probably makes your face look kind of dewy. Okay, cool. I will definitely give that a try, and I love niacinamide. The next thing I see is from Tint. Oh, Jesus Christ. So this is the Twin Beauty Lash and Brow Duo. I mean, that's interesting that it's for lash and brows. I mean, I guess it's a little better because it's different. So we have a black side for your lashes and a brown side for your brows. Oh, okay. All right, I'll shut me right up then. Okay, maybe I will like this. All right, so it has a great small little applicator. However, okay, it's fine. The color's okay. It's a little darker than I would usually use. I usually go for like a taupe. Then you have the mascara, which is, I don't like these type of brushes. It's like the silicone rubbery ones. Okay, so this retails for $29, which now I've opened it and fucked it up, so I guess I'm trying it now. All right, the next is from Jelly's Beauty. Double-sided wing stamp eyeliner. I don't have good luck with these. I'm gonna open it just to see what it looks like, but okay, so we have the liner on this side and then the stamp on this side. And I always feel like the stamps are just too big, like they're just bulky. And that retails for $22. The last thing in here is from Ace. I think it's pronounced Ace Beauty, but I don't want to pronounce it like that because I just think it sounds silly. This is Ace Beauty, and it's the Falling For You. I think it's an eyeshadow palette, right? And I like Ace Beauty. I think they're good. This retails for $35, and ooh, it's very pretty. Ooh, and they have those like cool looking pressed metallic shades that, to be honest, I'm always excited about and I'm always let down. All right, I'm gonna swatch those first. Oh shit. Just ignore all the other shit on my hand. All right, those are really nice. Ooh, that's exciting. And now the rest are matte. I'm so excited. See, this is what I live for. I want an eyeshadow palette that's mainly mattes and then just with like very small handful of metallics. You know, like too many times, more often than not, it's like 3 metallics and then a matte, or 4 metallics and then 2 mattes. Like, stop, just stop. Here are some of the mattes, and this company does make very, very nice shadows, so I'm very excited to try this. And I haven't really gotten any bright palettes lately, so I'm excited to use it. And that was it. So let's see how my paid for box differs. Here we go. Here's our paid for box, and once again, Spellbound is the title. Did I open this? I didn't. I guess I didn't open the first one. So besides the whole like price list and everything inside, the add-ons now are called Drop Shop. Oh no. It says no more FOMO. What the hell does that mean? FOMO. Oh shit. What does FOMO mean? Stock up on must-haves, past boxes, hot brands, much more, up to 70% off retail. And then the Mega Drop Shop, which is formerly the pop-up. Drop Shop Supercharged, score mega deals and the deepest discounts, up to 80% off, hype-worthy brands, tools, wellness, home items. Only 4 times a year. We'll definitely be doing that. And then the last thing is Boxy Beauty Bash. Oh God. Yesterday was the Drop Shop, the first one, with the 70% off. I looked on there and there were like a few things that I was kind of interested in, but I didn't end up buying anything. I usually do. And then November 8th is the Mega Drop Shop, and that's 80% off retail. And this is the Boxy Bash. And this just says early November, only once a year. Access our annual holiday blowout sale. Okay, so this is like the biggest sale. Special deals drop all month long. Oh, cool. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna put November 8th on my calendar and just keep an eye out for early November. All right, so the first thing I see is, oh, okay. I've never heard of this brand. This is the Trucelus, what am I saying? Beauty I Am Sempre Divina palette set. I'm intrigued. Oh, there's, okay, well it says courtesy lash glue is added. Oh yeah, oh cool. So it comes with really pretty lashes actually. Definitely a kind I would wear. I don't do like the thick heavy ones because my lashes and my hooded eyelids, I would just look insane. All right, so this is the I Am Sempre palette, Divina. That's very pretty. Ooh, I thought it was gonna be all blues, but it's not. I love that actually. I love that you have no idea what's in here. We have 4 mattes, 2 metallics. Ooh, very nice, very pigmented. And then the mattes, and the rest are nice and neutral. Cool. Ooh, wow, the matte is crazy pigmented. All right, it's a good start. And like I said, 4 comes with lash glue. That's pretty cool. I love that. You kind of like got this like whole set with it. And it has a nice little lid on for the lashes, which I also appreciate. Jesus. All right, the next is also from the same brand, and this is a brush set, like an Artista 4-piece brush set. It includes 2 blending brushes, one's deluxe, one's classic, one's angled, and a round pencil brush. I hate angled brushes. I've just never used them. Like I've just never had a use for them, I guess. And I will most likely save these for a giveaway just because I really don't need them, but I love the colors of them. Wow. I'm gonna save these for a giveaway. Somebody will love them, I'm sure. And I also kind of like that they sent us like 2 new things, well 3 new things to try from like a newish brand. The next is the Pinky Rose Pump Your Base 2 multi-use makeup sticks. Cool. I guess the shades are hip hop and jazz. Okay, so one is like a coppery kind of shade, and then one's more of a kind of matte skin tone shade, like light skin tone. I mean, I know myself. Am I going to use these? I don't think I'm going to use these. I'd like to think I was going to, but I know I'm not. So I'm not going to swatch them or anything. I'm going to save these also for a giveaway. But I love the idea of these. If I decide to use them, I'll let you know how they are. Pip, stop. That's the worst. Okay, we got another Julep Beauty makeup removers. And then again, we got another Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I think I'm going to try these today, actually. I loved the Ace Beauty palette more, but I'm a little more excited about this box only because like the new eyeshadow and the lashes. And honestly, even though I'm probably not going to use these, I like these more than anything else instead of the lash and brow duo and then the wing stamp liner. So congratulations, boxycharm, that I paid for. You did it. World's best cup of coffee. So let me know what you guys got in your boxes this month. If you've gotten them, have you got anything from your pop-up? I usually always buy stuff from the Ipsy and boxycharm pop-up. If you guys want to see like a haul video when I do those monthly or like a try on for the stuff that I get, let me know in the comments below. And make sure to like, subscribe, it helps my channel, and also do it to your other favorite channels that you watch. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.